Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Apple Inc. Now, as you have all know, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But if you have taken the bite of this apple in the year 2002 and 3, it has literally taken the doctor away because it has given you a humongous return of 86,157%. So this is the kind of return that the stock has generated for you, and this is not at all a joke, because you need to understand that this kind of companies which has generated huge amount of returns, which are the market traders, they have the capability to do so over and over, or rolling the dice over and over again as far as the long term is concerned. So let's start analyzing the trend of Apple Inc. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now let me zoom this chart and let me tell you what actually we can see as far as the trend is concerned. Now there are two ways to look at this trend. First of all, because it is trading comfortably below its 100-day moving average, so the next support you have here is going to be the 200-day simple moving average in the weekly chart, and it's going to be $99. Obviously it will change, but $99 is going to be the next support which you're gonna look at as far as the next big support or buy zone for Apple Inc. Now the next way to do that is what I do is using trend line. Again, this will be, I think, the best approach to do that. And what this tells you, that if it falls below the 200-day moving average, then the big support that you're gonna look at as far as the long-term chart of Apple, or the weekly chart rather, the Apple is concerned, is in between $65 and $76, which will give you a good opportunity to re-enter. Now the level, if you are using the moving average, it's a variable target, whereas if you're using the trend line, it's an absolute range or absolute level that you're gonna look as far as the trend or range is concerned. So we have two big support level. We don't know where it's going to end, whether $100 or whether 64 or $76, but looking at the market condition, I am very comfortable using 64 and $76, this range, as my big support, rather than using talking about $100, because the market is not at all giving that comfort where you can say that $100 is going to be your support and then the stock started moving higher. It's not going to happen. Even if the correction will end, it's not at all going to happen. Now this is what we can see as far as the downside end of the range is concerned. Now what lies ahead, or what lies as far as the upper end of the range is concerned, is the question. And if you are looking at the trend line, you can definitely see even 111 or this one as your support level, because these were your peaks, and $110 will definitely act as your next support. So you can comfortably say that if it falls below $110, and if it continues to trade below $110, the next trend or next support level which we're gonna see is in between 64 and 76. That would be a more, I would say, sensible way to look at this trend or the range. Okay, so wait for this stock to test these levels before you're gonna think that there is something phenomenal which will happen as far as the upper end of the range is concerned. Now what lies ahead is the question, because we have seen, let me remove this line, what we have seen here is a range expansion. Okay, the range has indeed expanded like this, as you can see. So the range has expanded like this. Now if there is a move towards 64 and $76 on the downside, and it will definitely take couple of weeks and months. As you can see, the drop looks quite scary right now, and we don't know where it's going to take support, but anyways, I have given you 3 specific levels. What I can't say is about the time, how much time will it take, will it happen in next 1 month or 3 months or 6 months, but whenever it happens, let's leave it to the market. And as far as the uptrend is concerned, whenever it turns around, then the big target that we will look at in the upcoming years is in between $250 and $370. So this is what we can see as far as the long-term chart for Apple Inc. is concerned. And looking at the weekly chart, it looks like the correction has just yet started. So do not be in a hurry to re-enter into this trend. You can see how far it can go if things work, and if it does not, then we know where the upside is. So plan accordingly before doing anything funny right now. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.